Physiotherapy is a branch of medicine that deals with the assessment, diagnosis, and treatment of physical and mental impairments. It is a profession that is concerned with the promotion of health and well-being through the prevention and management of musculoskeletal, cardiovascular, and neurological conditions. Physiotherapy is a versatile profession that can be applied in a wide range of settings, including hospitals, clinics, community health centers, and private practices. It is a highly sought-after profession, with job opportunities available in both the public and private sector. If you are interested in a career in physiotherapy, then this video is for you. Keep reading to learn everything you need to know about this rewarding profession, including what physiotherapists do, the skills and qualifications required, and the job outlook. Physiotherapists use a number of different treatment methods to improve mobility, relieve pain, and help people recover from injury or illness. These treatments include exercises, massage, electrotherapy, and manual therapy techniques. People who have had a stroke may need physiotherapy treatment to help them recover the ability to move their limbs properly. Physiotherapists can also help with the recovery of people who have had surgery on their back or neck, who have suffered an arm fracture, or who have had an amputation. The Physiotherapy Machine is a device that is used to provide physical therapy. It is used in rehabilitation and exercises for people who have disabilities. It helps them to regain their muscle strength and joint mobility. In the past, physiotherapy was done by a physical therapist or a trained assistant. But now, with the help of the Physiotherapy Machine, people can do this on their own at home with minimal supervision. It also includes treatment for conditions such as injuries, muscle pain, joint problems, and respiratory problems. The main goal of physiotherapy is to improve mobility and reduce pain in order to help patients achieve their goals. The profession requires extensive training in order to gain an understanding of anatomy and physiology as well as how to apply this knowledge. It also requires professionals to be knowledgeable in areas such as neurology, cardiology, orthopedics, and sports medicine.